So what is a NAICS code? For starters, NAICS is an acronym that stands for North American Industry Classification System. So basically that's what it is. It's a classification system for professional industries in North America. And basically what it does is it attaches a number to a business based on the industry that it's operating in. Now this is separate from your business number. This is simply just a classification of what type of service or product you're providing or the kind of main operations of your business. So this NAICS code system is set up by governments basically to classify different businesses, for organizing information, for research purposes and things like that. Sometimes when I write formal business plans for businesses, I will gain access to research based on certain industries that are relevant to the business I'm writing a plan on. And that information, that data is classified through NAICS codes. So when I request that data, I get information based on that particular industry, which is useful for me in writing those formal business plans. Now, every business has a NAICS code, and it's not necessarily different from business to business. You could have two businesses in the exact same industry doing the same thing that have the same code. And it sometimes can be difficult to choose the most appropriate one. Some businesses aren't that straightforward in terms of what they offer, or they may offer a variety of different services that don't necessarily just fall under one code. So I get that that can be difficult, but you want to find the most suitable one for your business in order to classify it appropriately. And one reason why I find it's important to have the right NAICS code for your business is because when you're registering your business, whether that's with a provincial registry, a corporate registry, or whatever that may be in your jurisdiction, they're going to ask what the NAICS code is for your business so that they can register it properly and classify it properly. Because different industries are treated differently, they need different permits, different licenses, they maybe are subject to different sales taxes and things like that. So for a number of reasons, the corporate registry will want you to choose a NAICS code for your business when you're registering it. And I'll just give you a quick overview of a website you can use to determine your NAICS code. It's just the Canadian version of that here. Okay, so here's a quick look at Canada's North American Industry Classification System website, the 2022 version. So if you scroll down here, you can see a little bit more information on these classification codes, and then the structure here, different codes. So again, it's broken down by different industry. You can see like construction, retail, education services, healthcare services. So that's how they classify it, is all these different industries. And now with these codes, you can see that they're all pretty much just 2 digits long. But typically when you actually choose one, it's going to be a lot longer because these are just kind of like the starting points. And then when you click on a certain one, it will provide more information and add numbers to that. So for example, accommodation and food services, when I click on that, you'll see that there's more numbers, more digits added here. We can go accommodation services versus food service and drinking places. So if you were wanting to start a restaurant and find out your NAICS code, you would continue from here. And then it keeps, adding to it. Is that specialty food services, drinking places, for alcoholic beverages, or full service restaurants and limited service eating places. So if you're starting a regular restaurant, you would click here. So you can see it's now taking you to be a 5-digit number. And this one would be suitable for most restaurants that are kind of serving your standard, restaurant food where people are sitting down, or sometimes even just kind of like takeaway food. So yeah, just a quick look at the website here. So hopefully that was helpful, and I will leave a link to that website below in the video description. If you have any questions regarding business startup or business management, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, and I will address them there or create a new video. And I have well over 150 videos right now on my YouTube channel that discuss those business startup and business management topics that you can check out if you're interested in learning more about those.